Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix microphone not working in ChatGPT. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for ChatGPT and click on the official website. Once you're on the ChatGPT page, look at the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Then click on Site Settings. Scroll to find recent activity and locate ChatGPT in the list of sites. Click on it to expand its permissions. Next, find the microphone option and open it. Make sure microphone access is set to Allow. If it was blocked or restricted, this is likely the reason your microphone was not working. Adjust the setting to allow access. After updating the permission, close the ChatGPT tab completely and reopen it. Go back to Google, search for ChatGPT again, and open the website. This ensures the new settings are applied correctly. Once you return, test your microphone. It should now work without issues. So that's basically how you can fix microphone not working in ChatGPT. That's it for this video. Thanks.